Welcome to Brampton Crescent here in beautiful Brightwater. Come with me and take a closer look at this wonderful, refurbished, ready to move into property. Thank you. Well, what did you think of this beautiful home? Nothing to spend, you can just move in, unpack, enjoy the Sunshine Coast. You've even got room for a pool in the backyard, and it'll leave you some space for the kids to run around. What more do you want? Simon Howe, Grey White Mooloolaba, looking forward to your inspection. Thank you.